I want to show you a very good sound environment. This is about as good as it gets. I'm in the middle of the forest. The weather is fantastic. And there's also a lot of snow on the ground. It's been dumping for a couple of days, so it's like a porous layer of sound-absorbing material everywhere. And here in the forest, you have all the trees, which gives a rather diffuse reflection of sound waves. So yeah, it's just such a comfortable place to be. And the speech clarity is about as good as it can get, humanly possible. And let's just check the background sound level here. You know, it's still 24, 25 dBA, but the reason is there's snow falling. It's dripping down snow from the branches of the trees. It's like a high frequency, very, very pleasant sound. Maybe, I don't know if the camera can catch it, but it's going on all around here. I think it might be that the sun is warming the treetops, which makes the snow melt and it starts to fall down. But I would say that the background sound level here is about 20 dBA. I did check a couple of minutes before when it was dead silent. And that's, I think, even though this is a really nice Norsonic 150 sound level meter, it's about as quiet as I can measure, because the equipment it gets hard to measure really, really quiet levels. Now I can hear an airplane somewhere in the background. Well, the thing is, when you're in an environment like this, which is absolutely quiet, you can hear everything. You can hear traffic even though it's far away. It's such a nice place to be, this. I think when we approach summer, I should really take my measurement equipment out here to the forest and do some impulse response measurements and see what kind of objective numbers can we get out of this fantastic acoustic environment here in the trees. Because this is something I realized the other day. I have this dream that I'm working with acuwood. And I live in this environment. I see the forest. I can hear this nature sounds every day. This is like the reference level. I just want to capture some of this amazing sound qualities, this perception, this environment. What if we could package a little of this beautiful environment and design our buildings so they can reflect this? That would be something. That would be really, really cool. And I think that's why I've been so attracted to wooden buildings. Because with wooden buildings, you can actually do this. You can recreate nature inside a building. And that's basically what a building acoustician's job is. It's precisely what we're supposed to do. We should design our buildings so that they remind us of nature. Because this is where we belong. This is where our history is, outdoors in the wilderness. And then in this last couple of 100 years, we decided that we're going to live inside rectangular rooms, which you don't find anywhere in nature. But we could compensate somewhat for this if we can design the buildings so that they resemble nature. And our job with acuwood, in that case, that would be to design our buildings so that the acoustical properties resemble this. That's a really good idea. Now it's time to get back to the office and do just that. Have a very nice weekend. Yeah, it's the end of the week now. See you later.